Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this viral motions edit using CapCut PC. So if you want to learn how you can edit these viral motions effects in CapCut PC, here I'm going to show you step by step through everything you need to know. So first, you can just prepare the materials. Here I'm using this grid image as the background, and now I'm going to add text, and for the text I'm going to use this famous quote from Michelangelo, this one. I'm going to change the text color into black like this, and you can adjust the font and also the size. So for the font in here, let's try to use, I'm going to use this one, Noto Serif. You can just use any font that you prefer actually. You can adjust the size by clicking on the text here on the video. I'm going to put it on top like this, and now here I'm going to add this highlight animations. Just drag it to the top just like this. Then let's remove the background. So go to the remove background, and here I'm going to use chroma key. Drag the color into the white color in here, and you can adjust the intensity. For this one, I'm going to adjust the size so that it fits into the text. And next, I'm going to add the animated arrow into the timeline. Here, I'm going to put it on here, and again, use the chroma key to remove the background. Adjust the intensity and the shadow. And also, don't forget to adjust the size. I'm going to use this. So this is the preview. And now I'm going to add the Michelangelo picture into the timeline in here after the arrow show up, and I'm going to use masking for this one. So go to mask and click on add mask, and here I'm going to use the circle option. You can adjust the size like this, and now adjust the position of the photo. I'm going to put it after the arrow. Let's see the result, the preview first. So for the photo, you can go to animations and add any animation that you want, but for me in here, I'm going to use the slide up animation. So So this will be the final look for the viral motions in CapCut. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.